What's up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley Honeywood. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. As you can see from the title, I am bringing you guys a flip through of my current planner. This is the Vintage Botanical Planner. This is a monthly spread out, and I just wanted to do a flip through of my progress so far with this planner. I was searching online when I was trying to get some ideas for maybe how I can style this up a little bit differently, and I didn't really see a whole lot out there. Maybe I'm just looking in all the wrong places, but I feel like I've gradually found different ways to use this planner, and so I just wanted to share with you guys how I've been working with this so far. So this is what the inside of the planner looks like, and it did start in July. So July, I was really struggling here. So let's just go ahead and dig into it. I really don't do a whole lot of decorating for my monthlies. I just find that I don't really use it a whole lot. So I don't want to, spend a lot of time or even waste a bunch of stickers trying to decorate this, but I just put, basic important dates. And yeah, I just keep it really, really simple for my monthlies. Maybe in the future, I'll figure out ways to utilize it a little bit more, but obviously for the month of July, didn't really do a whole lot. So let's go on ahead and flip to the next page. So here is what the spread starts off with, I guess kind of like your month at a glance. It gives you 3 habit trackers, monthly goals. I think this says top priorities, or no, that's top priorities. Hold on, let's see. Let's take a look at a future date here. So yeah, usually it says take it up, check it off, and noted, so on and so forth. So here is what it looks like blank. And then this is what I came up with for the month of July. So monthly goals, I did just go on ahead and stick with, just that title. I made a list of all of my bills to check off. This month I had a vacation to Washington, D.C., so I just made a quick list. And then I was involved in a 31 days of self-care challenge with some girlfriends from Instagram. And then it has your top priorities and then gratitude. So it says, I am thankful for the sunny days and the rain. Ooh, that's good, because we got a whole lot of rain in July. So that is pretty much what my July month at a glance kind of looked like. Now on to the actual planning. You can see, at first I was just trying to find my groove. So at first I thought that I was really going to just use this as a list maker. Wasn't really successful with that. So I had a good start. So start, cleanse, meal prep, meditate. Yeah, so this is kind of what my spread started off looking like. Didn't really utilize my planner as much as I could have, but yeah, this is what the first week looked like. Well, not the first week, but first couple weeks. And then as you can see here, I began to get a little bit more adventurous with trying to utilize some of my stickers and, decorate a little bit more, just trying to find my groove there. And I feel like, I was kind of leaning in the right direction, we shall see. And then it always ends with a notes page, which I haven't really found anything to utilize these pages for, and I think they're so beautiful, so I really do want to find a way to utilize them, but I just haven't. So moving on to August, again, just put in some important dates, and then kind of did the same thing. The habit trackers, using this for my bills, my goals. School was starting, and I thought that I was going to create my shopping list here, but I actually didn't. And then this month, I was really trying to get focused on working out again, which was one of my goals. So I kind of tracked my progress. I kind of I was doing okay, and kind of doing okay. And then I just completely fell off. And then in the fourth month or fourth week, I decided to hire a personal trainer. So then I have my top priorities here. And then for gratitude, I've just been choosing to use like little quotables right there. And I didn't write any gratitude for the month of August, but that's what it looks like there. Let me slide these out real quick. Didn't realize I still had my bills in here. All right, so again, just trying to find my groove with decorating. List making kind of worked out a little bit better with this month. I had a little bit more, excuse my language, a little bit more to plan out because school was beginning. I had a lot going on at work. So this really kind of helped me organize my mind, and I felt like I for sure was using it a lot more in August. And here you can see I was really having fun with the decorating. So I feel like I've really found my groove on these weeks here. So that is what the rest of August looked like. And now September. Again, don't really use the monthlies page too much. But then we have this going on here. Again, using that for my goals, paying bills, habit trackers. This month I have been planning my daughter's birthday party. We won't say anything. And then again, keeping track of my gym goals. So I had some goals as far as my weight loss was concerned, and then I really tried to log as much as I could for my workouts. I put in this guy. I thought that I was going to do more writing. That was the goal at least. But I didn't. So I have to figure out something else to do with the gratitude area. But top priorities, creating, blah, 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 blah. So this is where I kind of got a handle on how I wanted to go about decorating. Figured I was going to do page by page rather than week by week. Because again, some days I have a lot of lists to do, or a lot of things to do to list, and other days I don't. So like on the days that I really don't, I just chose to use like a bigger sticker or embellishment or whatever. So I really liked the direction that I was taking with these spreads. And then here is the final weeks of August. Really liked this spread. This decor kind of spilled over into the current week, which I will show you guys. So we are currently on October 1st. So again, the notes page, and then I will show you what I changed up slightly. So again, just put some important dates, things to remember. And then for this spread, I just slightly changed. So instead of, well, I put personal goals. And then we have our habit trackers, my bill pays, and then I'm using this area to really streamline my planning as far as my daughter's party is concerned. And then again, we have our gym tracking. And then instead of top priorities, I chose to put important dates here instead of relying on my spread here, because I rarely come back to this page because I'm just not in the habit of using it. So instead of trying to keep track of things by coming back here, I figured it'd be much more useful for me to utilize this space here. So that's what I chose to do, slightly different for this month. And then this is my first spread here. I usually keep a dashboard here, and then also here, because again, like I said, I come back to this page a lot to kind of like fill in, like, you know, due dates for my bills And then I wanted to utilize this important date section here that I put in. So here is my current spread of the moment. It's not completely filled out yet, but I did go on ahead and decorate the full page. So yeah, that is everything that I wanted to show you guys so far in this planner. I do have a couple of other planners that I use, but I rarely use them, to be honest. This is the planner that I go to on a daily basis. This is where I make sure that I have all of my important dates and everything like that. So yeah, I would love to share with you guys my process on how I go about decorating this. So if you want to see more monthly dashboard list making layouts, I always forget what it's called. Anyways, but if you would like to see my process of how I go about decorating and how I plan, please make sure that you hit this with a thumbs up. This is weird. I'm like on the other side of the table. This is not something that I'm used to. But yeah, I would love to share with you guys how I use my planner, how I decorate, all that jazz. So if you would like to see more videos like that from me, please make sure that you hit this with a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you can get the latest and greatest when I do drop. So that is everything for this video. Again, I thank you guys so much if you came and tuned in, and until the next one, peace out.